and welcome. I'm Sylvie from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are making beef stroganoff, guys. It is one of my family's favorite. It is quick and easy to make, but full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For today's recipe, I am using beef sirloins, and I am going to slice them into cubes. And guys, if there's any bristles on the beef, go ahead and remove them because we don't need this part. Because if you leave that on there, it will be chewy. So go ahead and remove that bristle. And you can go in and remove the fat. Okay guys, here is my beef. As you can see, this is the size that I had cut them into. And now we are going to season our meat. I am going to use garlic. And for this recipe, guys, you do not need a lot of spices. Onion powder, black pepper, and seasoned salt. Give that a mix. And this is how it's looking. Go ahead and set this aside. I am going to use half of a large onion, and we are going to dice it. Over medium-high heat, we are going to add oil to a large skillet. Once our skillet is nice and hot, we are going to sear our meat. So we are going to sear them for about 4 minutes until they get a nice color on both sides. After 4 minutes, go ahead and remove your meat. After removing the meat, go ahead and add your butter and turn down the heat to medium. Add your onions. And we are just sauteing these for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go in with your garlic. And we're going to saute it for another minute. So after a minute, go in with your W sauce. And your mushroom. We are going to allow our mushroom to soften before adding our beef broth. So about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we are going to add our beef broth. After adding your beef broth, add your beef back in. And now we are going to allow this to come to a simmer. Now, following the instruction on your noodles packet, go ahead and cook your noodles. While our noodles are being cooked, we are going to get our sour cream ready. And we are going to add some mustard to it. Okay, go ahead and give that a mix. And we're going to use some of this juice and add it to your mustard and sour cream. And we're going to give that a mix. And this is what you're looking for. This looks great. Go ahead and set this aside. Hey guys, I am so sorry my camera died. So what I did after 20 minutes of cooking this, I went in with my heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to add a little bit more in, and I'm going to give that a stir. Now go in with your sour cream. Give that a stir. Guys, go in and taste your food. And if it needs any adjustment to the seasoning, go in and adjust that right now. And I am going to allow this to come to a simmer and reduce. So after our sauce has thickened and reduced, we are going to add in our pasta. Hello guys, so my beef stroganoff is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.